If you're a fan of Robin Hood or Hawkeye, then you won't want to miss out on this extraordinary bow. But beware, its creators are quick to warn you that this is no ordinary toy. Safety is the utmost priority here. While the bow looks and shoots like a regular one, it comes with patented arrows that significantly reduce the risk of damage or harm. Even if you accidentally step on them or run them over with a bike, no consequences will follow. With a length of 132 centimeters, the bow pairs perfectly with arrows measuring 74 centimeters. For just $95, you can get yourself this incredible package of a bow and 3 arrows. It's a game changer that can turn anyone into a pro archer in no time. Don't just take our word for it, experience it yourself. Grab this bow and unleash your inner marksman. Spider-Man: Homecoming, the second reboot of the Peter Parker film series, proved to be a massive success, raking in over $880 million worldwide with a production budget of $175 million. Capitalizing on its popularity, a wide range of merchandise hit the market. Among them was a remarkable Nerf blaster, inspired by the movie. To emulate Spider-Man's web throw technique, you need to replicate it to fire one of the 3 Nerf bullets. For convenience, an additional clip can be attached to your belt, ensuring a swift reload to overpower your adversaries. Alas, this fantastic blaster doesn't come equipped with a spider sense function, but for a mere $20, let's not be too demanding. Introducing an innovative product from Landroller, resembling Land Rover, but designed specifically for roller skates. These skates offer a promise of enhanced traction, reduced vibration, and superior control. Their standout feature lies in the extraordinary wheels, boasting a diameter of 15 and 18 centimeters, positioned at a 30-degree angle. This unique configuration grants exceptional stability and a remarkably smooth ride, making them an ideal choice for beginners. While primarily geared towards fitness and recreation, don't anticipate high speeds. Despite the incorporation of these remarkable advancements, these skates maintain a weight of approximately 2 kilograms, similar to other models. They can support riders weighing up to 100 kilograms and are available for purchase at $230 per pair. Introducing a groundbreaking twist to the world of stone skipping. Forget the grueling task of achieving 88 skips with regular stones, because we've revolutionized the game. Our innovative creators have devised a fresh set of rules where scoring no longer relies on the number of skips. Instead, players now aim to earn points by propelling the specially designed projectile and landing it in one of the target's holes. Based on their accuracy, players can accumulate 1 to 5 points per hit. To secure victory, aim for a total of 11 or 21 points. Gather your friends, as up to 4 players can join in the fun. The comprehensive set includes 8 projectiles, 2 targets, and convenient carrying bags. Ready to embrace the challenge? Get your hands on this extraordinary product for just $60. Do you think arcades have become extinct? Well, think again. Arcade machines have undergone a remarkable transformation. They've shed their bulky forms and emerged as sleek, compact boxes, packed with exciting new features. What's more, they can now be easily installed in apartments. Introducing a revolutionary gaming project that doesn't require any hardware. It's a groundbreaking software program that lets you build and play games through a projector. Currently available for Windows and Mac, with Android and iOS support planned for the future. The beauty of this system is that everything around you, the walls, the floor, becomes part of the game. Up to 10 people can play simultaneously. The starter kit offers popular games like Pong, Arkanoid, a thrilling racing game, and an epic space shooter reminiscent of Star Soldier. All of this can be yours for just $268. Did you know that some of the rarest Hot Wheels cars fetch prices in the hundreds of thousands of dollars at auctions? Well, to stay ahead of the curve in the world of technology, Hot Wheels has introduced a mind-blowing solution: augmented reality racing sets. The starter kit includes 2 awesome radio-controlled cars and 4 gate-shaped control points. With just a single charge, you can enjoy a whopping 2 hours of non-stop playtime. Get ready to take your racing experience to a whole new level as the augmented reality mode lets you customize your cars with over 140 different design options and a range of vibrant colors. Whether you're up for challenging tasks like demolishing monsters or pulling off insane stunts, or you prefer solo races or massive 4-car battles, this game has it all. To immerse yourself in this adrenaline-fueled excitement, make sure you have a PS4, PS5, iPhone, or iPad and $130. Discover fascinating facts about the M16 rifle. With over 8 million units manufactured prior to 2011, it has gained popularity worldwide. More than 80 countries, from Bahrain to North Korea, have acquired this iconic firearm, which has remained in production since the 1960s. Its widespread appeal extends to toy gun designers who seek to replicate not only its appearance but also its functionality. Among these replicas, one stands out: an M16 replica that not only features a working bolt but also boasts a shell ejector. This kit includes a silencer and a sight assembly, and assembling it requires no tools or special skills. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the manual, accompanied by helpful illustrations. The use of safe, soft bullets ensures a child-friendly play experience. However, manufacturers caution against aiming at the head or eyes for safety reasons. This toy weapon measures approximately 1 meter in length and can be yours for the affordable price of $66. Introducing an innovative solution tailored to those seeking to conquer the waves without compromising their confidence or vestibular system. Meet the extraordinary bodyboard, a fascinating alternative to surfing for those who prefer to ride lying down. This electric-powered board offers an impressive 2 hours of riding time on a single charge. With a compact size resembling a surfboard, it boasts a 2.8-inch TFT color display, providing essential information like battery status, temperature, and mode of operation. Reaching a maximum speed of 2 meters per second, this sturdy bodyboard weighs 18 kilograms but can effortlessly support up to 150 kilograms. As a versatile option suitable for diving as well, its price tag of $2,400 appears reasonable, considering its remarkable features. Are you ready to rock the stage like a true successor to Phil Collins? Introducing the ultimate solution to preserve your neighbor's sanity and keep your eardrums intact, FREEDRUM 2. For a mere $80, this groundbreaking drum set awaits you. Equipped with 4 sensors, 2 on the drumsticks and 2 on your feet, along with a subscription to our exclusive app, you'll experience the magic on iOS, Android, macOS, or Windows. Get ready to connect the sensors, enter a virtual realm, and unleash your inner rhythm. FREEDRUM 2 takes it up a notch with new features, including haptic feedback and the freedom to play with your feet, no heel support needed. As you train, our app will visually track your progress, offer expert advice, and even evaluate your tempo accuracy. Say goodbye to noise complaints and hello to the ultimate drumming experience. Introducing the ultimate innovation. It's fresh, it's trendy, it's an absolute blast. Meet the brainchild of ingenious creators, an extraordinary vehicle. Picture this, a fusion of a bicycle and a support system. With just a pedal and the handlebars, you control the ride. But wait, there's more. This versatile marvel seamlessly transforms into an electric water scooter or a training companion. All you need are the fitting components, readily available for purchase. Crafted to endure saltwater environments, the lightweight frame weighs a mere 8 kilograms. Choose between a drop handlebar or a flat one, accompanied by a workout or recreation propeller. For added convenience, accessories like oars, an electric pump, and more are also on offer. The manufacturer suggests that the speed, exceeding that of a kayak, varies based on the rider's fitness level. Prices range from $3,200 to $4,200. Brace yourself for endless adventure with this game-changing marvel. Step into a thrilling new world where SUP-board designers collide with the ingenious minds behind an enhanced version of Whack-A-Mole. Brace yourself for the chaos as moles unpredictably emerge from their holes, determined to snatch the precious balls. As the hunter, your duty is to protect them, armed with an inflatable hammer. But here's the twist, the battleground is a colossal 4x4 by 2 meter bouncy platform. Priced at $2,400, this game-changing experience includes a pump, helmets, fasteners, and a manual. Will you take on the challenge of facing 7 relentless moles, or be the one to claim the jackpot? The choice is yours. Introducing the Hydro Formula 800 BP, a remarkable radio-controlled model boat that packs a punch at just a fraction of the cost of an electric car, priced around $1,000. This sleek vessel boasts impressive features such as gas or electric engines, enabling mind-blowing acceleration of over 55 km per hour. With lengths ranging from 0.8 to 1.2 meters, these licensed replicas of real racing boats make for stunning display pieces. Crafted with composite fiberglass, water-cooled systems, and meticulous handcrafted details, these models offer an array of awesome features. Beginners can revel in the ready-to-go, pre-assembled options, while pros can delight in customization possibilities, from upgrading propellers to engines. Brace yourself for exhilarating races that ignite emotions in both children and adults alike. Get ready to sail the seas with the Hydro Formula 800 BP. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.